5 minutes. Premiere. 5 minutes sa Premiere. Hi, North South Cow recipe. I will give you moderator. I'm here in terrace. Okay, you are now in moderator. Thank you, Idol, for your thumbs up. Because you are now. Ay, I'm from Philippines, Tuguegarao. How about you? Where are you from? You see the weather? It's very hot. But the temperature here is 28 degrees Celsius. Hello, Ma'am Angelita. Thank you for coming. Ah, 5 minutes lang po ang kanito kasi para sa premiere. Salamat po. Hello, Ma'am Angelita Akaw Vlogs. Di po ako makareply kasi nandito ko sa my terrace. Wala po, isa lang po yung phone ko. Salamat po ulit. Si mga Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oo. Fresco. Oo. Where you from? Ano? North South recipe? Oh, see, I'm in my garden. Oh, ito yung terrace. This is terrace. Oh, outside of my house. Oh, see? Oh. I see India. Okay, I know. How's the India right now? How's the weather? By the way, what time in India right now? North South ka recipe. Ah, North South, North South ka recipe. Oh, this is my house. Oh, see this? Oh, oh. Why? Oh. I cannot reply because I only have one cell phone. This Nelis sa ano? Tanod. Wait lang, bibigyan kita moderator. Ah, Nelisa, you are now in moderator na. May moderator ka na po. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat po. Wala na kasing bagyo ngayon kaya okay na ang paligid. Ayos na po ang paligid kasi tapos na ang bagyo. Oh. See? Yun, ang sasakyan oh. Yo. Ay.